This is going to be a really quick tutorial for February's lock screen. I send out a free lock screen of the month. Because it's February, I have hearts on the mind with Valentine's coming up. So what I'm doing here is just using plain water and creating little heart shapes all over the paper. It's hard to see with the clear water on the white paper, but as I add in the colors, as I drop them in, you'll be able to see them. So wet on wet technique is exactly this. It's a wet part of your paper and you drop in wet paint right on top. And I'm purposely having the heart shapes overlap each other so you get some nice bleeds happening with the colors. And they blend all on their own. I love this about watercolor. And as I go through my palette, I'm just choosing colors that kind of go together on the color wheel. They're near each other. So a lot of blues and pinks and purples. If you are painting along, feel free to use any color theme you like. And you will want to work pretty fast because some of your areas might start drying. So if that happens, just go back in with clear water, re-wet that shape, and then your color bleeds and blends will work again. With this kind of technique where there's wet water and color almost on the entire piece of paper, it will start to curl and buckle. So if that starts happening to you, or even if you think it might, I would recommend taping down your edges to a board or your desk before you start. That way that will keep the paper really straight and flat. The other option is you can use a watercolor block, which is a watercolor pad that is sealed on the sides, and that can also keep your paper really flat if you're doing a really wet painting. Okay, just finishing up the bottom few hearts here, and then I'll let it dry and scan it in, and you can use this as your lock screen for the month if you like. You can find that on my blog, and I will post the links. Thanks so much for joining me. Happy painting!